Okay, so we're almost done, but let's do one more segment. There are certain minor chord shapes that are better played in between two normal tripentatonic cages, such as D minor. Because let's just do a full minor cage thing here. Okay, so let's start. Let's say on this A minor here. Now my guitar, I can go lower than this. When we're going to the left, we're going to go to the fourth of that A minor, rather encaged, we're going to go from A minor to the C minor shape. So here's our A minor shape. The C minor shape is going to be starting here, just like that. That's the C minor shape. But see, we're going into this D minor shape, so it's D, C, A. We're going up a pentatonic scale. Down a pentatonic scale rather. D, C, A. Okay, so the next thing after A is going to be the G minor shape. So let's go to the next cage. It's the A cage. We're going to have the G minor shape. Okay. So this is also an A minor, which is like a C6. That's your G shape. So that one kind of stays in the box. But if we were just to play the arpeggio, okay, then we're going to want another minor third here. Then we have a little stairway to heaven here. Okay, which is just the long version of our A minor shape. Okay, so we go up in cage now. So we had a C minor, we had a G minor shaped A minor there. We go into the G cage here. All right. So the G minor shaped A minor. Remember, it's very close to the parent shape, so we're going up and down between two shapes here. G minor shaped here, and now we're going to G major shaped parent key. So the minor is one down from there, you know. So we're going back and forth. It's a little tricky here. We have the G major shaped parent chord and the G minor shaped 6th chord in the cage below it. So in the G major shape, okay, the 6th minor shape is going to be E minor shaped there. So it's going to be like, okay. Okay, so we're going to share this 3 to the bar right here. I was just guessing up here, which was wrong. So where we had that in the G minor shape, we're also going to land on that with the E minor shape. Okay, now we are doing A minor, so we would be getting that C too. So it really should go. So that's our E minor shape. Now when we go up from that, we're going to go to what? We're going to go to a D minor shape. We're going upward. So it's following caged. So E minor encaged is going to go to D minor shape. So it's going to be D minor shaped here. You know, back up here we're gonna do the same thing we did down here. Okay, so we could just do that D minor shape here, but it's going to be cage bound in the D cage. This time we're going to look at the chart. Okay, so here's our D cage right here. All right, the D minor, the A minor rather, is 6 root 3, so it's going to be 3 6 root 3 6 root 3. So it's going to be kind of a weird thing to play there. Okay, so let's skip that one. But the theory still holds that we're going to play a D minor shaped A minor. Okay, so it's going to be a second inversion, so it's going to be 3 6 root. So where's 3 6 root? There's 3 6 root. It's really not in the D cage at all. You see, it's in between two cages there. So that can be a problem. But let's look at that. Let's look at that A minor, right? So the A minor is going to be the 6. It's going to be C-shaped there. Okay, so it would actually be C minor shaped there. So here it is. It actually does fit. Sorry, I was wrong. It does fit. But you got to look at it as a C minor shape, or you're just counting numbers. Remember we were counting numbers? 3 6 root. Oh, there's 3. There's 6. There's root. I probably skipped that 6. Okay, wait, there's 3 again. Now what do we do? Okay, we're going to go to a 6 from there. Oh, how are we going to remember it's up here? Because we just look at it as C minor shape. Okay, so it's going to be 3 6 root 3. There's our C minor shape D minor. Way up here. Way up here. Okay, now the top part, you know, it could get a little tricky. We might want to do it from intervals there. Okay, now we want another minor third. Okay, we're starting on the we were starting on a second inversion. So here's a fourth. Okay, then a minor third, then a major third. Now we want a fourth. Then we want a minor third. Okay. And then a major third. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways to do things on guitar. If you get stuck, you can just do them the other way. You can do them in intervals. You can do them in chord shapes. You can do them in string shape shapes. Okay, so what would be there would be to look at the A minor as part of the C-shaped pentatonic. Okay, so luckily we do have this part of the chart done, and we can look at that A minor 3 6 root 3 here. Okay, so in this particular case we're doing an A minor shape. Oh, we don't have what we were trying to do, which was doing it in the D cage, right? Because when you have a D root, your 6 is going to be one pentatonic scale shape down, which is going to be a C minor shape. So here we have a C root, one pentatonic scale member down. From C is A. Okay, so how would we play that A if we weren't familiar with that A shape? Well, we certainly could do the chord part, or we could just bar it. But how do we know what's going on down here? We look at the C pentatonic, and we know it's part of that C pentatonic. All right, so that gives us the structure that we can fit into. Hey, we're out of time. There's a better way to do it that way, and that is with the individual string shapes. We'll get into that again. It's been a pretty good lesson. I hope you learned something. Keep playing, keep trying, or watch a couple of the lessons and see what you can get out of it. I'm sure you'll go far if you just keep at it. Bye.